Oh, hi there. I'm Tabby Genocide, and welcome to my episode of how to get all legendaries in Pokemon Scarlet/Violet. Some are version exclusive, and make sure you are online if you want to be able to get all of them. Even the Violet exclusives or Scarlet exclusives. Especially for me, since I'm a Scarlet player. I have online, so I will be able to catch all of them. So, first up, I'm going to be showing you how to get the legendary birds. So, first, we're going to start off with Moltres. I already have Moltres, so I'm going to show you where it can be located. Fly, or if you don't have the flying ability, climb up to this mountainous plateau. And I believe Moltres should be right here. I can't show you because I already have caught Moltres, but it should be right here. If not, I'd recommend you check all over on other rocks on the, well, not on the, in the Asado Desert. Next up, Articuno. So, Articuno is not hard to find. So, what you're going to want to do, fly over to Montenerva, and it should be not too far from this lake near Montenerva. It's pretty easy legendary to get. Okay, let's go. I set a destination so I wouldn't get lost. Get off the icicles. Well, I would be dead if you could die in this game. Thankfully, you can't. Okay, should be near here. Yep, there he is. What's up, Art? Hey, buddy. Just snap a quick pic of him. There you go. Hey, buddy. Now, I love the battle music for this because it's the Let's Go Eevee theme. Alright, Volcanion, you're not going to want to hurt him here. We got to catch him. So, I'm just going to try my best not to use one of my Master Balls. Oh, come on. By the way, all of these are shiny locked, so don't bother trying to get the shinies, because it'll just end up being a waste of your time. Aw, man, I thought I had it there. I'm gonna use a net ball. I think they're good on flying types. I'm just gonna try not to use one of my Master Balls. Technically, I've actually caught 3 of the legendaries. I will also show you where you can catch Kubfu in this video. I already caught Kubfu, by the way. Dive ball. You know what? You should get in the dive ball. It really fits your color scheme. Please, Articuno, don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me, Articuno. And by the way, I'm sorry about the bad footage in the other videos. I will, make sure that doesn't happen as much. Especially because my switch just drifts off to the side. I'm gonna use haze. Stat changes were eliminated. Okay, honestly, I really want to get it in the dive ball. It really suits the color scheme. I mean, dusk balls aren't working that well. I wonder what the catch rate on this thing is. Maybe you could tell me in the comments if I ever figure out how to allow them. Just please get in the ball. That's all I'm asking. I'm not asking much of you. Probably won't use you, but at least you'll get to spend time with the other Pokemon in the box. Keep on. I don't know what that was. Ignore that. So basically, I have a timer, but I don't really adhere to it at all. Neither do my parents. That's it. I can't let you get bored of me trying to catch Articuno, so I'm just gonna use Master Ball. Ooh, yay, I didn't know that would work. Oh, I totally knew it would work. What do you expect? I'm gonna have to get more Master Balls. Okay, so that's Articuno obtained. Now for Zapdos. Zapdos can be found near the Poképath Lighthouse, right here. So fly here. It's probably one of the easiest legendaries to find, besides Kubfu. So let's climb up. So what you're gonna want to do is climb up to the Poképath Lighthouse, and there's Zapdos. Hey, buddy! Zapdos is arguably one of the coolest legendary birds out of the entire trio. Sorry if my voice is a little shaky. I'm not sick or anything, just a little camera shy. And of course. No, I'm not going to bore you with my struggles, so I'm just going to use a Master Ball. Yay, Zapdos. Oh my god, I didn't know I would get it second try. I totally knew I would get it. Why did I say I totally know I would get it? This doesn't make any sense. Okay, now time to show you where the elusive Kubfu can be found. So, this is a really easy one. What you're gonna want to do is head over to Fury Falls, fly over to the waterfall, and I know I've already caught Kubfu, so I won't be able to show you the footage of me catching Kubfu, and I haven't made another video on it. I did this on my own free time, but Kubfu should be sitting right here. Hold up. I gotta burp. That was weird. Anyway, Kubfu should be standing right here. Now, special credits to AustinJohn for showing me the locations. And make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on how good the video was. And do the same for AustinJohn since he showed me how to do this. Well, see ya. Remember, stay hydrated. At least that's what ShinyCatherine always says.